Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What a wonderful.
Today's video we are going to be baking healthy brownies. We've discovered this recipe like 2 weeks ago and we made it and it was a hit. Everyone finished it in like 2 days. It was really good.
That's right. Everyone was super impressed.
Yeah, even we.
I know.
Shocked.
I think we left some like major ingredient out or something.
Yeah, but it ended up being really good. So we're just gonna do everything exactly the exact same way as before, and we're gonna make some healthy brownies. And we thought, why not make a baking video? I know everyone's gonna be like, ew, healthy brownies. That's what I said too.
No, who's saying that? They're probably
People
so
might say
good.
that.
No.
People like me might say that.
She does not like anything like remotely healthy. It's like the funniest thing ever. We literally have opposite taste buds.
Was this necessary?
Of course it was.
Okay. So I brought up the idea of baking a few weeks ago, and Shane was like, yeah, let's make something healthy. And I was just like, no. But he convinced me, and I was like, okay, I'll only settle for healthy brownies. And we did that, and it was successful.
Yes.
And it's actually better than any like normal brownie I've had. And if I'm saying that, then you can trust me. So we have some baking powder. We have coconut flour. We made it with almond flour before, but we're out of almond flour now. So we are making it with coconut flour now. We have some coconut oil. We have some dark baking chocolate, cocoa powder, coconut sugar, 2 eggs and salt, and that's all you need. Firstly, I will link the recipe down below so you guys can follow the recipe, because I feel like this baking video is going to be a little disastrous to follow, so you can follow the recipe, but you can just bake with us, have this video playing while you bake.
It's not a tutorial.
Yeah, it's not.
You
It's
shouldn't
just,
be watching. If you're looking for a baking tutorial, click off this video.
But if you're looking for someone to bake with or someone to just chill with, then stay on.
Okay. That was not awkward.
Okay. I also forgot to mention this recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free and sugar-free. So the first thing that we do is we put some water for boil. To boil. Ooh. That was
Yeah,
not scary
something's
at all.
not
Something
looking
doesn't
right.
look right. And we're going to double broil. I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure.
Double boil.
Double boil. Some
Broiling.
dark-
I think broiling is. Something.
Okay, whatever. We're gonna double broil some dark chocolate and coconut oil together. We need to chop 4.5 ounces of dark chocolate chips. Now I don't know what 4.5 ounces is, so we're just gonna.
We'll play it by ear.
Yeah, I kind of have an idea of how much we did last time, so hopefully I'm right.
You guys want to have like a knife holder? Just a bread cutter knife, probably. That's like not gonna work. Alright, let me take over this piece.
Okay, he's gonna cut it. And how much coconut oil do we need? So we're gonna put in 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So I'm putting the coconut oil in along with some of our chocolate, and we're gonna add more to it and then stir and melt it. It's kind of like cutting wood. Don't you cut wood like this? You cut wood like this?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Babe, I don't like wood is not. You have to. It's an axe. Ooh,
I think that's good.
we are in the table.
So the melted chocolate is ready, and I'm just gonna get it off the gas. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I made these chocolate chips.
Now we have to whisk the eggs and the coconut sugar together. 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. You wanna help or do you just wanna stand around?
Dude, you're a control freak.
Okay, you can start whisking. So we can't find a whisk, but he's gonna whisk it with a fork.
You made me chops too.
See, nothing is going in there. Now that I've whisked this goes in the chocolate. It looks a little gross right now, but trust me, it's gonna taste good. Yes. forgot to put it through the sieve, but it's fine.
Yeah, she put it through the sieve like a thief.
So welcome to the cooking show where I cook and Shane wraps. Okay, so now the issue is that this looks like not the right consistency as last time.
No, it's okay.
It was a lot like watery last time. So I'm a little concerned. Now we add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I'm just gonna experiment a little here. This is looking too dry to be brownie, so I'm just gonna put in a pinch of coconut oil. You think that's a good idea? Too late!
Okay, chill.
Okay.
Trust me, I've made mistakes with too much coconut oil before in the past. You don't want to do that.
Why?
Dude, because like you'll be pooping your brains out.
Was this a necessary story for my YouTube channel?
Of course, they want to get the laugh.
Definitely looking a lot more doughy. I don't think it's Shane, I think we're making bread, not brownies. I don't know if we need another egg though. Like, I don't know if we can just randomly add another egg.
Of course we can.
Maybe we can add some almond milk.
Yeah, a little bit of almond milk.
Okay, so this batter is looking quite doughy. So we've decided to experiment, and I know that this is going to cause us to make something really strange. But we're gonna add some coconut milk, so it's still dairy free. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Oop, whoop, whoop. Okay, I think this looks a lot better. It's not as doughy, it's actually falling instead of being stuck to the
Let me taste
spatula.
it.
No.
Listen, rudeness. You have chocolate right above your lip. So you're gonna keep sitting here trying to talk all big girl to me when you have chocolate on your lip? You want me to move your little chocolate? No, baby.
I feel like we're making a cake instead of a brownie. So bake for 20 minutes at whatever temperature is in the recipe.
Poop. Putting the turd in the oven.
For 20 minutes.
My baby loves turds. Mmm.
That is not a brownie, that is a cake that you made.
Whoa.
Okay, that's done. Change of video title. Make a cake with us. I think that is for sure a cake. I mean, it looks good though. It doesn't look bad.
It still looks like poo. But now
baked poo.
Yes. Very
It's
good.
baked poo now.
Very good.
I burnt myself. I'm really confused.
You ready to eat our baked turd? We'll just.
As long as it tastes good, that's all that matters. Am I right, folks?
Mm.
It doesn't look that bad when you like.
Yeah, it really doesn't look so bad.
Moment of truth. Be careful, it's hot. Is it good or not? The fact that it's taking a while, I
It's like
think
really dry, but it's good.
it's dry. So nothing close to what we made last time.
I think when it cools down, it'll be better.
Taste is there.
It's just really dry.
Yeah. But it actually tastes really good. Shame! So that was our baked brownies with us. It's honestly like the taste is there. It's a little dry, but that also could be because we used coconut flour and last time we used almond flour. So
I have a feeling that's it.
yeah, so make sure you use almond flour and not coconut flour. But it definitely tastes good. I feel like once it cools down, it'll taste even better. But you
Yeah,
guys,
I think it needs to cool.
you guys should definitely try this recipe because last time we made it, it was like insane. This time we had to change a few recipe things, and we also did our own experimentation with coconut milk, which you should not do. Just follow the recipe and you'll be fine. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did,
Drop a like, comment,
share, subscribe.
comment what we should cook next.
Yes,
But it won't be for like 2
2
weeks
weeks
or
because
3
he's
weeks.
leaving today, and then I see him in like 2 or 3 weeks. So we'll do something then. So let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.